My name's Shaun McCallum, firefighter. I've got over 23 years experience in the fire service and looking forward to retirement soon. I've seen Dr. Rohrbaugh for 3 surgeries and at Northern Arizona Orthopaedics, and I highly recommend this man. He's awesome. 2014, I had right shoulder, complete tear of my rotator cuff. The hindrance was the mobility upwards and the strength, and that's what really caused me to be concerned and to seek help.
He was actually really good at following directions and took care of the repair and was able to reassume his responsibilities as fire chief and rescuing people. And
2017 was left knee meniscus. I was out hiking and went to step up high and pulled my leg way up on a big boulder and stepped up and just popped. Got back home, told my wife, and she just shook her head at me and called my primary, talked to him, and then called Dr. Rohrbaugh's office at Northern Arizona Orthopaedics.
He had an exceptionally bad meniscus tear. There are some brands of meniscus tears where the part where the meniscus attaches to the bone just completely rips away from the bone. It's a more violent injury, and his was required substantial force and a big injury to make that happen. When that happens, the meniscus completely loses 100% of its function and either has to be reattached to the bone or just taken out completely.
I was out 3.5 months with that one, and then physical therapy, and then he gave me a lot of strengthening exercises for my knee and my leg. I went back, second one, success. Well, hey, why not? Let's go for the trifecta. Number 3, my right knee, we have to do an annual physical, and I was on the treadmill running on an incline and just popped. MRI, another phone call to Dr. Rohrbaugh, and I was back up. And this time I know he remembered me.
It's natural for people to feel like their career is at risk if their knee has gone bad.
It can be career ending. I've got some friends that have gone out.
And so when someone walks in the door with a problem like that, I'm ready to go. I'm comfortable with his trust.
The thing that I like about him the most and why I continue to go back, not only is professional in the facts that he does the repairs he says and it comes out good, he's straight up honest with you. I don't appreciate things being sugar-coated when I go to a doctor. He doesn't do that. He tells you as it is and what he can do and does it.
I think Shaun has a really good, balanced perspective on life. To him, he's so athletic and so strong, but it's just as important to him to be able to do things with his grandkids as they get older, so that feels good.
Don't wait, just go get it fixed, because it's worth it in the end.